Hi! In this video we're going to show you how to make the most of skills reports in Skills Builder Benchmark. When you complete an essential skills reflection in Benchmark, you will be presented with a summary of your responses and suggested focus areas. But did you know that this information is also available in a personalized downloadable skills report? You can access your skills report in two places. On the summary page at the end of a skills reflection, you can download the report by clicking this button in the top right corner. Or you can go to the History tab on your Learner dashboard. Find the skills reflection you want to review, then click Download Report on the right-hand side. Each skills report follows the same format. After the cover page, you'll find a summary of your answers. On the next page, you'll see your skill score, followed by your top 3 strengths and areas for development. On the last page, you'll see our recommendation for which step you should focus on building next, based on your reflections. There are 3 ways for you to continue your learning journey from here. You'll find a link to a digital learning module on Skills Builder Launchpad, so you can build this step by learning and applying new strategies and concepts. You'll also find a link to the Universal Framework page for this step, so you can discover the building blocks and get practical advice on how to apply the step in your work and wider life. Lastly, you'll find a simple offline activity idea to begin applying the step straight away. We recommend sharing your skills report with a peer or mentor. This is a great opportunity to discuss your reflections and get their feedback. Work through the steps and ask if they agree with your answers. Have they seen any evidence of you applying steps that you are less sure about? Do they think that any of the areas you are confident in could still use some work? Look at the strengths and work together on a plan for how you will make the most of these areas in your work or wider life. Look at the areas for development and plan opportunities to learn more about these steps and ways that you can begin applying them day to day. Another way that you could use your skills report is if you are preparing for an interview or starting a new job. In these situations, you will be expected to talk about your skill set. You can review the strengths outlined in your report and practice how you will talk about these strengths. What examples could you give to show how you have demonstrated these steps? You can highlight particular steps that you think would be relevant for the job to demonstrate that you would be a good fit for the role. Skills reports are a useful snapshot of your skill set, helping you to review and articulate your essential skills. To get started, go to skillsbuilder.org/benchmark.